Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in our last tutorial we created this table. Today we have this reference of chair. So today let's try to model this. I'm gonna hide it and start blocking out this chair. So we'll start with this part here. And as always we are going to start with a cube. And we can increase the width. Let's take 4 and 5, maybe 4.5. Let's decrease the height to 0.15. So let's create these two front legs. Again, to block out these, take a cube, go to top view, bring them here like this, and let's reduce the width and depth 0.3 to 0.3. Place them here like this, maybe 0.25, and increase the height. Pull this down. Keep the height 3. Go to front view and let's align this leg with this seat. Maybe we need a little bit more height and less width and depth. So I'm going to change it to 0.2 and increase the height to 3.2. Let's create a duplicate and place it on this side. And to place it more accurately, what you can do is select this, and this is the x-axis. So open your channel box and look at the translate x. It's minus 1.767. Now select this and let's change it to 1.767. Now they are at the equal distance from each other. And now let's create these two legs on the back. So take another cube and place it here. Decrease the width to 0.3 and depth to 0.3 as well. And maybe reduce it to 0.25 and increase the height. Let's take 8, go to front view and pull this up like this. Let's add a little bit more height, 8.5. Go to front view again and align it with this leg. So pull this up like this and create a duplicate and place this one here. Now let's create the support for the seat. And for that we need to take another cube, place this here, go to top view and decrease the depth to 0.15 and increase the width and make sure it fits between these two legs. So let's keep the width to 3.34 and maybe depth to 0.16 or 0.17. Now go to front view and decrease the height to 0.3, pull it down like this, create a duplicate and place this one on the back. And we need to scale this one, so go to top view, wireframe mode and scale it like this. Now select this one again and duplicate it, rotate, go to front view and place it on the side. Go to right view and scale it. You can also go to vertex mode, select the vertices and press V to snap and pull them like this. Create a duplicate and place this on this side. And as you can see, we have some extra part of this cube here, so we need to fix this. So go to top view, wireframe mode and go to vertex mode, select these vertices and snap them to this point here. Do the same for these vertices like this, and now they are all aligned. So we have created the block out for this chair, and now we are going to model this part. And for that, let's go to front view and take a cylinder, pull it up and rotate it. Change the subdivision axis to 8 and reduce the radius to 0.3. Go to top view and push it back, face mode and delete all these faces except the front ones. Go to edge mode and select all these edges, then extrude them like this. And now you can go to face mode again and select these faces in the middle and delete them to create this hole. Go to vertex mode, select these 3 vertices and scale them. Now select these 2 vertices and scale them to align with these 2 like this. Now go to edge mode again and select these 2 edges. So press shift and scale to extrude. Like this. Go to vertex mode, select the vertices here and pull them down a little bit. Now change the pivot to the center and extrude it. To 0.2. Place it here. Pull it down. Go to front view again and go to vertex mode. Select these two vertices. Pull them up like this. And select the vertices inside. Scale them down. Let's create this bar here, and for that take another cube. Pull it back, go to front view and increase the width 3.5 and decrease the height to 0.15. Go to top view and decrease the depth. Keep it 0.15. Like this. And now we just need to create some bars like this. So we can just duplicate this one and rotate it. Go to front view and pull it up. Then scale it down like this. Go to vertex mode and select these vertices. By pressing V, snap them to this edge here and these ones to this cube. And now we can duplicate this. So place this one here and create a duplicate by pressing Shift D. Place this here, then press Shift D again to duplicate with transformation. Like this. Maybe select all of them and push them to the right a little bit. So our block out is completed. Let's start with adding some details. So we'll start with this seat. Go to face mode and select this face, then extrude. Add some thickness and offset. Then extrude one more time. Like this. Now go to edge mode and select all these corner edges. Then these top ones and these four in the bottom. And now bevel. Increase the fraction and add one segment. Keep the fraction to 0.65 or maybe 0.7. Now take insert edge loop tool and add one supporting edge here and one here. Bring back your model and let's work on these legs. Select these two and isolate. First let's combine these two. Now go to edge mode, select all these edges, then bevel. Keep the fraction to 0.1 and add one more segment. Like this. And let's repeat the same thing for these four. Isolate them and combine. Then go to edge mode, select all the edges and bevel. Keep the fraction to 0.1 and segments to 2. let's select this part first and isolate it. Go to edge mode, select these edges. And these ones. Now we can bevel and add one segment, decrease the fraction to 0.25. And we'll get a shape like this. Now bring back your model and let's work on this one. So these two are identical. So I'm going to delete this one and just work on this cube here. And for this, let's create this curve. So go to your deform and non-linear, then select this bend. Open your attribute editor and increase this curvature. So this is bending in this direction. Let's select this bend here and rotate it like this. So the reason it's not working is that we don't have any segments in our cube. Let's go back and select this cube, go to edit and delete by type history. Now select this, take connect tool, click on this edge here and open this connect tool, add 8 to 10 segments. Now go to deform, non-linear and bend. And now let's try this curvature. And now it's working fine. So select this bend here and rotate it in this direction. Maybe like this. Change the curvature to 10. Select this, go to edit, delete by type history. Go to front view and place it like this. Go to front view again and select these vertices, then scale them down like this. Go to edge mode and select these two edges, then bevel to create this round shape. Increase the fraction and segments. Let's connect these vertices, so select them and connect component. Same for these vertices. Now go to edge mode again and select these edges. And bevel. Let's turn off chamfer and decrease the fraction to 0.2. And if we smooth it now, then you can see that we have a nice shape like this. And now we have to adjust this, so just push it back in like this. And now you can select this one, go to vertex mode, select these vertices, press V to snap and snap them here like this. And also this one, go to front view, select the vertices and snap them like this, and this one till here. Maybe a little bit more like this. Now select this, create a duplicate, rotate it and place this one here. Select this one again and go to vertex mode. Snap it to this part and these ones till here. Like this. And we are almost done with our chair. So we just have to add some supporting edges for this part here. So now you can select all these bars and combine them, then isolate and go to edge mode, select all the edges, then bevel, decrease the fraction and increase one segment, keep the fraction to 0.15. And now let's select this one, isolate it, go to edge mode, select the edges, then bevel, keep the fraction to 0.1 and segments to 2. Go to front view and maybe we need to scale it a little bit, so scale it like this. And this one, let's pull it down like this. And we are done with our chair. Maybe it's a little bit wide, so we can fix that by selecting this and go to deform, then select this lattice. Change the T division to 2 and lattice point, select all these points and scale it like this. Go to top view and select these points on the back and scale them a little like this. Select these two and push them back in. Now select everything and go to edit, delete by type history. So our chair modeling is done and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.